Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please like, share and subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, most of you are welcome. So it is with heavy heart to announce the passing away of our seasoned gospel musician Solly Mkhulu. His family has released a statement saying, "It is with great sadness that we are informing you that our beloved legend Solly Mkhulu has sadly passed on." Solly was hospitalized after falling ill following his pre-album launch tour in Botswana, and he will surely be missed by many. Just a couple of months ago, there was hope for his recovery after a statement indicated that his health was improving. However, things took a turn when it was revealed he required urgent brain surgery whilst in the ICU. Sadly, he didn't make it through. So go well, our legendary. Will miss him and his music. Solly was more than just a musician, he was a beacon of hope and healing through his music. His laughter and spirit will continue to resonate in the hearts of those who loved him. The family has requested privacy during this difficult time as they prepare for his burial. So rest in peace, Solly. We will definitely miss you.